If this doesn't make you crave a cookie, I honestly don't know what will. Soft in the center, loaded with melty chocolate and sweet juicy cherries in every bite. Every great cookie starts with one simple upgrade. Brown butter. Melt 240 grams of unsalted butter over medium heat. At first, it'll foam. Keep stirring until those tiny golden brown bits appear at the bottom of the pan. Then let it cool completely. While the butter cools, put about 150 grams of fresh sweet cherries. Cut them in half. Then place them on paper towels. You want to remove as much surface moisture as possible. That helps keep the cookies thick instead of spreading too much. And refrigerate them. Now, for the best part, take about 140 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate and chop it into large chunks. Forget perfectly even pieces. Once the butter has cooled, pour it completely into another bowl. Mix it with 170 grams of brown sugar and 65 grams of white sugar. Add 1 whole room temperature egg, 1 extra yolk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix until smooth. Now, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour in 3 additions, 15 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, and 3/4 of a teaspoon salt. Mix only until the flour disappears. Don't overmix. That's one of the secrets to a soft bakery-style cookie. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who loves homemade cookies. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more bakery-style recipes every week. Now fold in all those chocolate chunks, cover the dough, and chill it for at least 4 hours. The longer rest develops better flavor and keeps the cookies thick. Right before baking, lightly coat the cherries with a little flour. And don't forget, after chilling, let the dough sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Just enough to soften slightly. It should still feel cold when you shape the cookies. Now divide the dough into 120 gram portions. Flatten each piece just enough. Add a couple of cherry halves and a piece of chocolate in the center. Seal everything inside, then shape it into a tall dome, not a flat disc. That height is what gives you a thick, gooey center. Line your baking tray with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat and leave plenty of space between each cookie. Finish each cookie with a few more chocolate chunks and 1 or 2 cherry halves right on top. Bake in a fully preheated oven. I bake them with bottom heat first for 10 minutes, then finish them with top heat for just a couple of minutes. Every oven is different, so keep an eye on yours. And that's it. A bakery-style chocolate chunk cookie made even better with sweet cherries. And that's it. Enjoy with a cup of coffee.